So, to begin, you simply place your handle over the mop head, step on it until you hear a click like so. That means you've got a nice attachment. So the way to remove it is very simple. Again, locate one of those flanges, put your foot opposite one of those flanges, so you're making a 90-degree angle. It runs from there to the middle of your foot and then up, and then move it away from your body. It's that easy. Now, the things to remember here is you don't want to step on the red round head when you want to take it off, because you're going to snap the handle. So you only want to step on the white microfiber, and you've got to make that 90-degree angle, because if you don't, say I try and do it like this and the flange is pointing this way, the handle will just pivot. By having that 90-degree angle, in essence what you're doing is you're blocking off the pivot. You're stopping the handle from pivoting, and that's what causes it to pop off.